It's a nice place, eh? Farmers here. It's a wonderful opportunity for me to come open the provincial council meeting in Boa, meet up with soldiers who have been in our school. They've been there for a month and they'll be there for another 2 months. And then, of course, come and spend the night here. And I didn't expect you, so it's a wonderful opportunity to meet up with all those people. Thank you for coming. Thank you. You may have some issues. I have the commissioner and his team here. You can come and talk to them if there are any big issues. But I understand this group here are rice farmers and they want a harvester. So I'll try and help you in getting a harvester because this is fairly new to me. Rice, I know there's rice farming in this area, but I didn't know that you have problem in your rice farming with regards to getting a harvester. So we'll try and find one for the group. Make sure it's a group, nobody to use it as to rent it out or anything like make money. This fellow well known for that. But I thank you all for coming. We will have an opportunity if any of you want to come and talk with me, come and talk to me, please. Do so. No politics, eh? No, because I'm not there for politics. But you will know what I've done in Honolulu. So I don't need to talk politics with you. But thank you for coming. Is the harvester?
No, when we hire the harvester, it's too late to come to us.
A lot of harvesters break down.
Oh, how many harvester here?
Not in here, only in Dreketi.
Only irrigation.
Harvester only in Dreketi?
Agriculture. We don't have any for the group.
None for the group.
Yeah.
They sell harvester anywhere? They harvest in Ambassa? They sell it here?
Yeah, sell it in Masa.
How much?
47,000. It's a medium one.
Okay. Well, we'll talk with the commissioner. Maybe I can give you more than half.
That will be nice.
Okay, all right. Talk about it.
Votigo talanoa. Talanoa sa kasabo. May baka liba-liba. Nakanadang, wili kino nakanadang. O lutukina o bunangga lutukina singa-singa. Saya doon nambiti na wang kan liba-liba. Pabita sa kana kornet tigil sa kan Dreketi sa bersa katung ni liba-liba. Kaya karuasa ka baka binabina sa katiko na tikino sa kan Dreketi. Ano muni beng garabi sa katuko na buko sa kanimata ni tu, nakena bangatang sa katuko na bengaw ni sala. Ralaw sa katuko kinang ngunibuli, bonto tuko nang ngunibuli na buko ni lori. Pero sa kaya na baka binabina sa kan tikino Dreketi. Kena baka leslesi, relis sa katuko mikina menggarabi na tikino Dreketi. Sa tu sa kana tikino Dreketi nakena maroy karungo di sa kanong muni tukutuk. Nakena toma ni katuko ni tu na daka. Ni sabi garabi sa katuko kina, baka sa katuko sa andambe na tikino Dreketi na kabi sa tindan. Au sa kena mata mo baka binabina sa katuko na buko ni tabi. Pinakasabali mo.